This one, yeah. That copper, the freight end goes, tap it right on there.
I'm kind of scared, but fuck it, right? Fuck it.
Yeah. Bro, that light bulb just dragging. Hey, it's your car. You take that off. Nah, it's cold. It's cold. Take it off. Damn. You think? Yeah, it's right. Should be. This goes to that. This 13. That big ass 13 right here. See that one?
So this?
Yeah, the edge. This one, yeah. That copper, the freight end goes. Tap it right on there.
I'm kind of scared, but fuck it, right?
Yeah, fuck it. You ready? Hold on. Oh, there we go. Jump that bitch.
Hold up.
What two? The intake. We don't need that shit.
We don't need that shit.
Start that bitch. Yeah, he got an exhaust leak. Hey, top off that coolant. There's the blue one over there. Yeah. The blue one. Oh. Damn. All right. That's it, sir. You say what? I don't know. He just tightened it. It is? Yeah, it's leaking. No, but yeah. Alright. Push the clutch in and see if it goes in reverse. Shit, I'm about to get my foot ran over. Fuck. Just be careful. Just clutch in. Let off the clutch. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh. Hold on. Oh. You only went 4 inches. That was the best 4 inches of your life. Hey, back it up all the way. Back it up. Oh man. Ew. Keep going. Ew. The bitch running, bro. Shit. Hey, go forward. Roll your windows down. Oh. Oh. Keep it going. Don't worry about me, you know. Alright, go all the way back. It's stiff. Go back. All the way back. Give it some gas. This man can't hear me for shit. Motherfucker, here, this? What does that mean? It don't work. They don't work. No. Ah. I'm out. Damn. Bro, that light bulb just dragging. Alright, cut it off. Cut it off.
Damn, it stops. That's hard.
Damn. That shit runs. You can move it in and out of the shop, kind of. Oh, Power Ranger? You got the call from Zordon. That's what that was.
She said she can carry it
Yeah. Ain't even that
Is it spilling oil a little bit?
No, it ain't even that hot at all. Shit, watch shit. Ooh, watch out, shit. Hey, it's your car. You take that off. Nah, it's cold. It's cold. Take it off. Oh shit.
We gotta flush it. All that shit inside of it.
I mean, whatever. Yeah, probably get a new cap just to be safe.
Fuck. If it blows, it blows.
Struggling there, dude? That header is fucking hot.
I know.
That's the hottest part of the whole shit.
Am I retarded?
Is it?
That's why. There you go. I gotta push in.
I mean, we ain't gonna worry about that. It went down a little bit, but
Holy shit, man.
What?
It's fucking dry.
fucking I don't know, put a ratchet strap or something and see if you can drive it around the block. Like around like here, not the block. Goddamn.
I was like on the street. Holy fuck. It's spilling a lot of fuel though.
Fuel? Oh yeah, I probably wouldn't do that. Just put it outside. And that's it. Move it outside under its own power. Oh, okay, yeah, throw it on there. Turn that bitch on. You might as well just put one of these on. Huh? Yeah. Drive with the door open so you can hear us. Is it it's open, it's open. This shit nuts.
Hey, you got to slide this way.
And damn. That boy reverse light staying on.
Hot as fuck.
Shit, something burning.
God damn.
Yeah, all that cooling, all that bullshit. It's squeaking because that belt is loose. No,
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
gotta fix all that shit. That's it, dude. That bitch running. That bitch up.
Like proud dad.
Still a piece of shit.
Yeah, it's okay. Well, a piece of shit that got a car running in 4 months.
Yeah.
First car too. Well, first project car. Holy shit.
Alright, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I gotta go check out my puppy. That's fucking dope. That's a good job. That's a good job.
I just gotta clean it up.
The first time that you drove it out of the shop on your own. Oh, your reverse light stays on.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I don't know why. We'll figure it out later. Only one side.
Or one
just
side.
just one. It's probably the reverse switch over the connector inside. It's probably all fucked up.
Oh, I got a lot of shit to fix, but it's under its own power now.